You're watching Statistics Made Simple, and I am Savita Balsang. In this video, we'll find solutions to problems based on life tables. Problem 1. In a life table, L1 is equal to 95,400 and L2 is equal to 93,492. Find the survival ratio and the mortality ratio of the first year. Starting with the solution, we know that the mortality ratio has the formula Qx is equal to dx divided by Lx. Now, since we have to find out the mortality ratio for the first year, you put x equal to 1 in the mortality ratio formula and you'll get Q1 is equal to D1 divided by L1. But the value of D1 is not given in the table, but we know that dx is equal to Lx minus Lx plus 1. So in this equation, put x equal to 1 and you'll get d1 is equal to L1 minus L1 plus 1, which is equal to L1 minus L2. Note that 1 and 2 are subscripts here. Now substituting the values of L1 and L2 from the given problem, we get d1 is equal to 95,400 minus 93,492. Therefore, d1 is equal to 1908. But our aim is to find out the mortality ratio. So substituting in Q1, we get Q1 is equal to 1908 divided by 95,400, which gives Q1 equal to 0.02. Remember that the mortality ratio, in this case that is Q1, which we have got as 0.02, is a probability. So its value should always lie between 0 and 1. Next, we find out the survival ratio. Consider Px is equal to 1 minus Qx. Put x equal to 1, so you'll get P1 is equal to 1 minus Q1, which is 1 minus 0.08. Therefore, P1 is equal to 0.98. Problem 2. In a life table, L1 is equal to 95,400 and T1 is equal to 61,05,600. Find expectation of life in the first year. Solution. Expectation of life has the formula Ex is equal to Tx divided by Lx. Since we have to find the expectation of life in the first year, put x equal to 1 and you get E1 is equal to T1 divided by L1, which implies E1 is equal to 61,05,600 divided by 95,400. Therefore, E1 is equal to 64 years. Problem 3. In a life table, L1 is equal to 95,400 and D1 is equal to 1,702. Find the mortality ratio in the first year. Solution. Write the mortality ratio formula. Consider Qx is equal to dx divided by Lx. When x is equal to 1, we get Q1 is equal to d1 by L1, which implies Q1 is equal to 1702 divided by 95,400. Therefore, Q1 is equal to 0.0178. Problem 4. In a life table, L1 is equal to 95,400 and D1 is equal to 1908. Find L1. Solution. Consider Lx is equal to Lx minus dx divided by 2. When x is equal to 1, we get L1 is equal to L1 minus d1 by 2, which is equal to 95,400 minus 1908 divided by 2, which is equal to 95,400 minus 954. Therefore, L1 is equal to 94,446. Problem 5. In a life table, L0 is equal to 1 lakh and T0 is equal to 65 lakhs. Find longevity. Solution. The longevity formula is consider E0 equal to T0 divided by L0, which implies E0 is equal to 65 lakhs divided by 1 lakh. Therefore, E0 is equal to 65 years. Now that all of you have an in-depth knowledge about the vital statistics chapter and how it is used in calculating the population and also the mortality rates, reproduction rates and the fertility rates, let us come to the uses of vital statistics. First, vital statistics describes the structure of the population, so they indicate the general trend in the birth rate, death rate, migration, and other vital events. Second, it is used in public administration. A study of births, deaths, migration, famine, etc. is required for economic and social planning. Third, vital statistics are useful to health authorities. Fourth, vital statistics are useful for researchers in the medical and pharmaceutical fields. As I come to the end of the vital statistics chapter, I would like to mention that practice creates confidence and that confidence empowers you. So, continue to understand the concepts well and practice the problems thoroughly. Thank you all for watching and look out for my next video where I'll give an introduction to probability.